Hello everyone, I'm Ariel Aguirre. Our topic today is drama. Types and example of drama: tragedy, comedy, melodrama, farce, and satire. Tragedy. Comedy. Melodrama. Farce. Satire. Prey times pyramid of